Boys and girls, mums and dads, can you keep a secret? If you can't keep a secret, we're gonna tell you anyway. And it's not really a secret, you should tell everybody you know today. But you don't need to buy us in a shop. No! You don't need to buy us in the supermarket. All you need to do is take a little seed and put it in the ground. Pour a little water on top, and then you pat it down.
It's always good to plant some vegetables, that way you can use the coffee grind and you just don't throw it away. I'm mixing, the coffee grind with the earth. Let's put some coffee ground.
I'm gonna put some coffee ground. That's a good idea, Kai.
I'm an experiment. So these are tiny seeds. Put some here. 3 there. 1. And we hope they will grow.
So stretch out your hand, take a little seed and put it in the ground. Pour a little water on top, and then you pat it down. Then wait for a little while, and then you watch out for our little green heads poking up out of the dirt. La la la, little green heads poking up out of the dirt. Little green heads poking up to say hello. Hello!
Here's one big radish.